Hi everyone, welcome back to another Chelegance video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install your Chelegance JCASE-891 protective case for the Yaesu FT-891 radio, a rugged, waterproof case perfect for outdoor portable operations like POTA and SOTA. First, let's take a look at what's included in the box. You should have the JCASE-891 main case, the 891 specialized metal front panel, a bag of matching screws. These are all the parts we'll need for the full installation. Start by removing the 8 screws from the metal front panel. This panel is where your FT-891 radio will be mounted, so keep those screws handy. Now, take your Yaesu FT-891 and slide its front panel into the slot on the metal panel. Once aligned, flip the assembly over and secure the radio into place with the screws. Make sure everything sits snug and straight. With the radio mounted, connect the front metal cable first. This is essential for linking the radio to the case metal. Next, plug in the microphone cable and other cables. Then insert all 3.5mm cables into their corresponding jacks. There will be one ACC cable that you don't need to use. Just leave that aside. Let's connect the JCASE-891's cooling fan. The fan comes with its own wires. The red wire is positive, and the black wire is negative. Insert them into the designated two holes on the power connector, making sure the wires are fully seated and not exposed. Next, you can connect your radio's power cable. Please note that the cable is not included with the JCASE-891. You'll need to prepare it yourself. Using a pair of pliers or wire strippers, carefully remove a small section of the cable's outer insulation to expose the inner wires. You can trim the wires to the appropriate length and thickness to fit the connector holes. Then insert the red and black wires into the remaining two holes of the same power connector, just like the fan wires. Double-check all cable connections before powering on. Once all cables are connected and tidy, flip the metal front panel back over and place the entire assembly into the waterproof case. Reinstall the 8 screws you removed earlier to secure everything tightly. The last step is to install your hand microphone if you haven't already done so. After confirming that all components are properly installed and all cables are securely connected, you can now connect the external power supply. Once power is applied, your radio is ready to operate. The front panel has 3 framed areas reserved for optional DIY customization. Feel free to use them for additional modes. Keep your workspace organized to avoid job screws. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Enjoy your Chelegance JCASE-891 and happy radio adventure. 73.